All right, guys. So we have a new product. This one only cost me like $5. I think it was at Target. The robotic creature. It's a robot spider. Yep, look at that. It's already open. Cause I've been messing with it. Anyways, by Hex. So let's see what we got. So, robotic spider. Put that right there. Hex bug. And it does come with the control. Very fun, chasing the dog, chasing the cat, all kinds of stuff. You do have to put batteries in it. Let's see if it can knock over this little guy here. All right, let's see how it walks. Oh, okay. Go get him. Up. Oh, no. Go get him. Go get him. Up. I'm gonna knock him over. I'm gonna get him. Oh yeah, I can get him. Really cool. Just having fun with my toys here. Up. All right. Really, really cool little spider. $5 at Target. Chase the dog all day long. Absolutely. Hex bug. Put batteries in it. Oh, let's go backwards. All right. That little control tells you what direction you're in. Turn them around. Go the opposite way. He goes frontwards. He goes backwards. $5, guys. Whole lot of fun for $5. Pretty cool little toy for $5. What has the world come to? Up, getting stuck. Let's reverse it. Get out of there. All right, let's see what we got. Coming right towards the camera. That's how we're gonna end. Thanks, guys.